Let's start with what's going on in Telangana. Remember, after Allu Arjun was arrested, there has been a political war of words between not just the political parties, but also the film fraternity. As we speak, there's a meeting underway at the Chief Minister Revanth Reddy's residence. Among those who are attending are the bigwigs of the Telugu film industry. Akanksha Khajuria, my colleague who's tracking the meeting, is now joining us live. Akanksha, before we get into the more videos that we have, Somit also live on the broadcast. Let's begin by telling our viewers, how have we come to this situation that the Chief Minister has had to meet a delegation from the film industry?
Well, absolutely, Pranesh. You see, now a clear message has been given by the film fraternity here, the Telugu film fraternity, that they stand united with Allu Arjun, who, remember, has been made accused number 11 in the Stampede case. I'm currently standing outside this police headquarters here in Hyderabad, where that crucial meeting is, in fact, underway, is what we are learning. Allu Arjun's father, Allu Arvind, along with Dil Raj, who's the producer of Pushpa 2 movie, is currently inside, and the agenda of this meeting is building bridges. And sources have told us that discussion will cover the Stampede case, involvement of Allu Arjun, the strained relationship between the government and the film industry, and perhaps a way forward to foster a healthy relationship. All of this after what happened 3 weeks back when that Stampede took place, and after that we saw war of words that started between the Congress party and on the other side the Bharatiya Janata Party and the BRS. BRS and BJP have in fact taken a jibe at the Congress party, saying that they are targeting Allu Arjun because they have a bone to pick with him, as he did not take part in the campaign during the assembly election. So this is the charge that is coming from the BRS as well as the Bharatiya Janata Party, that Allu Arjun is being targeted by the Congress party, a charge that has been denied by the Congress party and the Chief Minister. But in the last few days, we have seen press conferences and also a statement from the Chief Minister in assembly, wherein he said that Allu Arjun is responsible for this. He knew that there was a stampede happening outside, but he did not come out, and when he did, he waved to the crowd, causing the fan frenzy. So this is a charge coming from the Congress party.
That's right. So
but
the
after
contention,
that,
Akanksha, as people understand at the moment, is really on the sequence of events. So it's a claim versus claim situation. The actor and his team have a different set of facts, for lack of a better word, and the government says, look, this is not true. Allu Arjun was informed by the police team there, but he still chose to sit and watch the movie. And even when he walked off after the movie screening, he was still waving to the fans. We've accessed another video